Hey y'all, I'm Jeremiah from MarineMax Sarasota, and we are standing on board a 2026 Boston Whaler 330 Vantage. Our marketing gal's got that camera up high trying to give me a little Tom Cruise angle. Guys, we are standing at the back with some V10s from Mercury. 400 horsepower, electric actuators, the quietest outboard in existence when it's sitting on the dock. That is a part of the experience. You want to know more about it? Maybe we'll do some more videos or come visit us. When Boston Whaler redesigned the halo of the Vantage line, this was a huge part of it. Sink, grill, live well, storage, refrigerators, everything at the back of the boat. What an incredible entertainment area it really is. They did this beautiful, beautiful interior. Guys, all this detail throughout, it's one of the best interiors Whaler's ever done. They give you multiple table options made out of real teak. You, of course, have that multiple rows of seating, but now you get this lounger with really good storage underneath it, which I love. And guys, a great, phenomenal dash. Big 16, and now the option to have air conditioning. Why? Because of this. This is the singular biggest update. If you ever wanted an Vantage with a full windshield, that's it. And I gotta tell you, in our area, it's incredible. But the bow of this boat stays just as cool as it always has. You can make this a filler, turn it into a playpen or a bow table. You can now do a beachboarding ladder and the windlass, shade forward. This boat is an incredible boat. I'm Jeremiah. This is our 33 Vantage here at MarineMax in Sarasota. Guys, give us a call. Come visit me and my team. We'll put you on board.